Hello everybody, this is my new Boya microphone. Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add captions on your TikTok videos. For that, go to your TikTok application, click the plus button and create any video you want. Okay, you can see that I have recorded a video with the voice. Let's see how it looks. Hello everybody, this is my new Boya microphone. Okay, you can see that I am talking about my new Boya microphone and this is what I have recorded. So now if you want to add the captions, you can see an option that is studio. Click on the studio button. And after that, click the back button that I am indicating in the video. Okay, now you can see an option that is text. Click on the text option. Now there are two options, add text and captions. Click on the captions. You can see that it's uploading and it's processing, and the processing has been done. So now if I click on the video, let's see how it looks. Hello everybody, this is my new Boya microphone. So you can see that how easily the captions had been made. Now if you want to edit the text of the caption, click on the bulk edit. Now go to this option that is indicated by arrow. Now you can select any color or any style like typewriter, handwriting, or any color like orange, yellow, green, or any shade, and also select the neon. Now click the save button. Now again click the save button. Now you can also drag it and adjust the text in the perfect position. So in this way you can easily create captions on your TikTok videos and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next one.